Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is a new live stream today on 21st of May 2025 and today is Thursday. We'll be starting the session in a moment properly. Let's wait a little bit for more users to join. So did you saw this gold, my dear friends? There is a trade almost ready. Okay, there is actually why I'm taking this story, there is a proper study coming on with me. Okay, so quickly I will be doing my daily wage stuff, I do it. Did you saw how beautiful move it was yesterday from right here? Jackpot type of entry, I should say. Let's delete everything for now. But my friends, I was asleep, okay, early this morning at 4 a.m. It was too early right here. Otherwise, I would be definitely trading it. I'm not saying I would be closing it right here, but because I haven't seen the 15-minute time frame yet, that how it was. Let's see. Yes, there is this signal it gave, then a bearish engulfing, then yes, it was supposed to be taken as this. Yeah, but anyways, no problem. We will get into another one. At the start of the session, I want to request you that please participate in these chat, ask me questions about the ABCD patterns, this and that, everything. It's much important for us to be like keep asking even ourselves as well that okay, there is this buying setup activated. Okay, so let me first take it, okay, with this much and this much TP, just 0.01 it is. Okay, 155 pips take profit and 62 pips of a stop loss, and the type of entry is extremely aggressive. Within a blink of an eye it can stop me out. Okay, so this trade is not for everyone, remember. This same time again today I have not very bad weather, but maybe like if it starts wind, then maybe. I have recorded something for you as well because I traded right here as well a moment ago before the stream. But sometimes there is a time when it is not even a London session and not even a US session, so then I do these recordings. Okay, yes, as per that this 4508 is my turncoat support, which I definitely will be explaining in a moment. Let's wait first of all for some more users to join. Let all of them come to the stream because I came approximately 15 minutes earlier today. Who is with me in the chat? Let me know if you can hear me nicely. Yes, great. Okay, great. Fantastic, my friends. We are not going to get afraid from the market. We are disciplined traders. Yes. Even if we go into hedging, we do it properly. We are not randomly trading. Wow, if I win this one, then there is a hedging plan I have which I will be sharing with you. But let's see if it's giving me this $15 or not. Then I will be studying the market as well, okay? We just have started. Let's see how this market react. Yes, my friend, we need to understand how this market will be reacting. In the news time, unemployment claims we have today from the United States, Australia. Australia was very negative, extremely negative, and if this dollar comes negative for the dollar, oh ho 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 ho, gold will become unstoppable today. Do you remember my yesterday's levels? Yes, great. That is good. You guys remember. So my friends, yesterday from my video, did you learn something? I mean, literally that video got around 100 views or 110 views. But even let's see if 110 people watch that. So obviously I have saved 110 people or 100 people for taking an emotional sell trade, because see, the right person always is the one for you who will be showing you the right path, who will not be misguiding you. And in this market there is complete misguiding going on even right now out there on the YouTube. Yes, go search live trading rooms and come back to me. You will not find such a live stream on the entire YouTube, my dear friends. Transparent. I just don't want to say it, but I want to go clean chit. Just like a baby is born without any sins. I'm looking for something. A baby is born without any sins. Sins, bad deeds. Is clean, pure. So I think when the person leaves this world should be pure, okay? So for example, right here in this stream, if I keep saying the wrong things, wrong things, wrong things, everyone has to die. Huh? What will I do at that time then? Regret? A big regret that will be that I misguided this whole entire world. Huh? How that time will be on me then, because everyone wants to die peacefully, my friend. Yes, let me find that missing thing. I have missed something. Okay, I changed the table place a little bit today, so let's see. I dropped my pen right here, and even I'm not sure where did I place it, my friends. Did I guess it dropped somewhere, like maybe. It's not right here. Oh, where I just let me turn on the light a little bit, okay? The bigger light in the room. Let's see if my earbuds, these headphones, can reach back till the plug. See this small studio I have, okay? This much small. Nah, my brother, I didn't find it. It was with me a moment ago. It was with me. Wait, okay? And during this time it hits, and if it is dropping, don't chase it, okay? I'm coming. Is there any in my room any host or something who took it from me? My friends, if the audio is good, I will disconnect it. Okay, this is getting too much of my table space. Okay, let me just unplug it. Several several mics I have. See, this one is the best one, but I have to sit as this. So let me keep it aside. I just did a little mistake. Where is the plug for it? Oh, it's right here. But where is my pen after all? Without a pen, my life is incomplete. Let me put it. Oh, here we go, my friends. Here it is. Here it is. Okay. Oh, right here. Okay. Let me turn this bigger light off. Okay. Electricity is too much expensive, my friend. Right here. Yes, with a pen I'm fine, okay? Without a pen, Who is with me in the chat? Feroz Khan, thank you so much. Yes, I did. Walaikum assalam, first of all. Long stories. I do these long stories in my streams because I want to make a foundation, a base, so that out there people get familiar with my style and my method. Because a new person, if comes right here and see these trades, will immediately run away. Will say, "Oh, this person is a loser." Immediately will be putting a stamp on me. Oh, this person is this, without understanding what's going on. Okay, time to drink some water. Means Samsung Health is really taking care of me. Okay. Whatever gold is doing today, Feroz Khan, my dear, will be in front of us. You made $100 yesterday, $100 the day before, huh? Nice. Congrats for that. Don't be always too much looking for the entries, okay? I have recorded this for you. I will be playing it, but first let's see, okay? Let's see this story. One thing we should know. This is that yesterday's place. This is for sure. Okay, till now so far I am just this much sure that what happened yesterday. um what happened? Feroz Khan, my dear friend, is in a hurry today. He wants to make good profits today, but if one is getting bored of the stories, I think that person in forex trading, I don't know how will that person survive. But anyways, let's see. Have a look at this level from yesterday, this level from yesterday, this level broken, and this level is right here holding. I say maybe it can go up there, but definitely just like it did not respect it this one, it can also not respect this one. And if this level breaks, my friend, a proper break can bring a fantastic drop in the market. Okay, because this is market and it will be moving this way. Let's first of all see this. Okay, I recorded it specially for you. Okay, dear traders, right here, this is 3:26 p.m. right here, and first of all, why I'm right here, I couldn't close these positions, okay, but I have opened a 0.01 and it has a big stop loss, I should say, but it is just 0.01, okay. uh, Beautiful market it was. Already I will be discussing this whole market, but see, this is immediately giving me 92 pips. So let's quickly see. This 525, I want to get rid of it so that my equity can increase. Okay, so let's see, any opportunity that I find, I will be recording it and then later will be sharing it in the live stream with all of you. Okay, this is just for record purposes. I like to carry my journey as this. Okay, and since yesterday I couldn't trade it, then the London session as well, it was way too slow. Okay, so, and yes, if I don't get more trades right here, okay, let's see. Anyways, 92 pips I anyways make. Further we will see. Okay, this whole analysis I will be giving, but good scalping friendly market it is, I should say, right? See, a beautiful correction till right here is expected maybe to go back up. Okay, uh, yes, but a very bigger direction, I'm not yet exactly sure what it is going to be and how it is going to look like, so we will see how it goes. But yes, this will be my point of concern for today. Just, but obviously trend lines do get broken. Yesterday one broke, and we had enough profits from that. So yeah, let's see what it brings us. Actually, I wanted to close this position. Okay, these, as I said yesterday in the stream. But when I wake up, market already was right here, so obviously I was not ready to run my analysis. Okay, and you know, blindly I cannot take decisions, because whenever I take blind decisions, it ends up very very badly. So till the NY session, let's see this level 61.8. I'm expecting the price may bounce off from this particular level here. Okay, So let's wait for it. Okay, if I get a chance, I might be closing this particular position, though I haven't run my whole analysis yet. Okay, no hi-fi reason behind this particular level. 4506, 4498. Okay, no hi-fi reason, just a break above yesterday. Okay, a break below, I said it is suspicious. It break in yesterday, we traded this one as well. This sell was right here, then I moved it right here, and now again I'm planning to close it. But the thing is, my dear friends, we have like a lot of fundamental activities which I will be discussing in the NY session. For the dollar, we have an Australian in Australia, the news got negative. So okay, first let's see, the news is obviously negative for the Aussie. So as per that, let me hide it a little bit. See, market is at
Okay, dear
same
traders,
level.
right here.
Ready to run my analysis particular level here. Okay, so let's wait for it. Okay, if I get a chance, I might be closing this particular position, though I haven't run my whole analysis yet. Okay, no hi-fi reason behind this particular level. 4506, 4498. Okay, no hi-fi reason, just a break above yesterday. Okay, a break below, I said it is suspicious. It break in yesterday, we traded this one as well. This sell was right here, then I moved it right here, and now again I'm planning to close it. But the thing is, my dear friends, we have like a lot of fundamental activities which I will be discussing in the NY session. For the dollar, we have an Australian in Australia, the news got negative. So if it comes positive for the dollars, then it can be strongly bad for the gold. If dollar gets weak, then obviously there the Aussie is getting weak, there the USD getting weak. So investors are going to put money on gold because it is considered as safe haven. And why it has a correlation with the, or some relation with the Australia, because Australia is a big exporter of gold. Okay, so yes, let's see. Okay, okay, my dear friends, now let's see here. Okay, it's again dropping this level, and this level can become most probably a range today, right here, this place till the news. Okay, 4532, you will remember from yesterday, that same level will become intraday resistance for ourselves today, for us. Now if I see it on the 1 minute, well, yes, let's go for a 0.05. I need $58, then I will be able to close 0.01. This is $78, so if I make $58, I will be able to close 0.01 from this cell. Okay, and will close this 0.01, so I will be then holding 0.08, and this will be a break even. This balance will not be affected. So let's see, the place is a little bit early. Okay, 4506. So yes, let me then take it. Let's see how it goes. I have to give a stop loss. Okay, I have to give a stop loss because $28, if it brings $58, I will be able to close 0.01, because tomorrow is Friday and I will be trying to close maximum of these trades. So let's see, $10. It's giving me just this trade go to $58, then I can easily close 0.01 from the sell and 0.01 from the buy, and my situation will be then holding a 0.08 hedging. So 0.01 will be recovered, and this is my favorite method that I usually do. Okay, I will explain it more in detail in terms of pips. See, those who want to understand my strategy, see, this strategy will be working as this. Okay, no hi-fi, no very critical rocket science, it will be working as this. So let me make it to, since I will be working in dollar amount today, $58, I need to close 0.01. okay, I'm pausing it, not making the video too lengthy, so let's wait for it. Okay, it's struggling. Shall I book $35 from it? From somewhere else I will book the rest. 40, let's make it 58. Let's go slightly up, bring 58, or otherwise I will be stopped out at break even. I think I need to close it $35, $33. Okay, closed, but it is still going to go up, and you know my trading style. Okay, I quickly get my profit from the market. I don't get married with the you know these candles. Let's see. Okay, maybe more buys above this, but then above this I will not be more happy, because see, almost it moved 140 pips from my area. So let's see how this trade brings to. So see, that's why I left that position. $35 I made. Further I need $23, then I will be able to close my 0.01. So let's see how that will be. I'm not buying now. Okay, I'm not going to get crazy. Let's wait patiently. It is nicely dropping, my friends. Okay, so I will let it drop. I'm not doing anything else. I will just let it drop right here again. Let's see 45.06. Bulls seem failing right here. Okay, so I'm not doing anything. I am just waiting for it. Well, my friends, volume seems nice. Okay, but yes, quickly I will be scalping if I get a break above this. Let's see if I can make 17 further dollars so I can close this 0.01. Maybe right here, if we see this particular zone, the breakout is not occurred, but I mean this is an extremely risky opportunity. Okay, but anyways, let's see. I anyways made $35 on that trade, but then a nice breakout, and then when the market come back down, then I will be taking it. Okay, not before that, because I have seen such decisions ends up very badly. Yes, my dear friends, sorry the video is getting lengthy, but I'm just recording it for all of you, not for myself, because for myself I would be just doing it. 14 pips of a stop loss. Not surviving. Oh, again some 14 pips of a loss, but no problem, let's wait. I mean literally, if I want to sell, I can definitely sell at this zone. Okay, so if I'm anyways going to take a risk, I should risk on this tiny resistance then. Okay, this 1 minute bearish engulfing, and at least if it continued down till here, let's say even till here, this will be $29, and till here this will be $47. So let's see if it's giving me $47 or not. $17 something I need, so then I will be closing 0.01. Let's wait. Okay, You know, this is such a level where price touch and should go just like yesterday we have seen. Okay, but why it touch and it go, but it couldn't continue just like yesterday? So why? Because there is unemployment claim today. People will definitely be afraid of that as well. Overall, this is a turncoat support, I should say. Okay, but they do break as well. So let's see. Let's wait for it a little bit more. Seems like it is struggling. Volume is not interested to the buy side till now so far. Anything bigger, if it comes, maybe it can be a stop hunt or something. Liquidity sweep, I should say. Seems promising, my friends. I need this trade to close in profit. How much profit? 47 this, 35 that. So I can nicely then close my 0.01. Okay dear, I'm leaving the position. $1. Let's see further in the NY session. Okay, this level can make me nicely crazy. Okay, so a better decision is always the one with the patience. Okay, so let's go with patience. Who knows, my friends, it can give me this. Okay, there is some logic, my dear friends. There will be logic behind everything. This is a bigger level, bigger trend line, so maybe right here there is a triangle sort of. Let's see further. I will discuss in the NY session, because see, it is again showing me a break, then again I will buy, then maybe I lose on it. So better to wait for the right level. Okay, so yes, head over to the program. Okay, ah dear, what did you get from this whole recording that I did for you? What do you now know about this particular level? Why I am holding this buy? Now you understand it. Feroz Khan, my dear friend, are you now happy? Make the likes, okay? I already played the game plan, okay? Let's see. Now I played that recording, all of my levels are visible. Believe me, people just see these levels and run away. Okay, they will just see these levels and run away, which is very bad. Let me hide the numbers. Follow these levels with me, my friend. Don't just watch the video and run away. Otherwise these streams will stop. If I suspect such behavior, then obviously, my friends, who likes to waste their time, huh? Do you like, or anyone like to waste one of his minute? No. So if I see that only people come right here for trading, I promise you, I will quit these live streams. Oh, story is simple, my friend. 4410, okay, 4410 is crashing, maybe 4408 approximately. Right here, simple stuff only. If this level breaks, my friend, if this level break to the bottom side, it's coming straight down. And do you like my this pattern? If you do, I hope you do. But obviously on the lower time frames there will be much other stuff going on as well. Okay, because potentially this level can become a reversal area today as well, again, once again, like it can. Okay, here situation is as this again, my friends. Okay, Market will be choppy. Okay, keep this thing in mind. Everyone should keep this thing in mind, that this is that 61.8% retracement, this, and right here I am willing to buy again. Okay, see, this is that yesterday level as well. Quickly I will be scalping, but though the market will definitely be seems crashing. Okay, so I will be waiting a little bit. Okay, this one is a bit more clean, so let's do it on this chart. Plus obviously, see, this bigger trend line is broken yesterday. Today market is coming back down to take a fresh support right here, and then we see that okay, 44.73 what the market is going to do. So let's patiently wait for 44.73, approximately this zone. Okay, Feroz Khan, what's the numbers? Say numbers. What numbers, my dear? This is not a signal service. This is like, I like, don't just blindly trust or blindly trade. Okay, just do your own analysis first, right? I'm here with my own analysis right here. So you can tally your analysis with this, but don't consider this as a purely signal service or something. Trading is very, very risky, my friend. What you are saying? Everyone is responsible for their own profits and their own loss in this business. Patiently waiting for these levels. Okay, I am not getting into a hurry. We have 5 minutes left, so let's see if it dip till here. Oh, emotional people will be selling and we will be buying, and maybe the disciplined trader, yes, if it go against them, they can stop them out as well, but I will definitely try to put some risk at 44.70, somewhere at this zone, somewhere near this zone. Okay, so let's see. And one more thing, right here, for example, there is this going on right now. There is an ABCD pattern. Which one was that? This, which is pointing to 44.10 somewhere. Okay, these are these biases. Okay, and inside these waves I trade, and this is my methodology. Okay, so don't say, oh, a moment ago this person was bullish, now he's bearish. So as I say, we need to quickly change our direction, especially in the intraday. Let's see OZ a little bit. Where is that? Let me move that till here. OZ. See, whatever I said about these pairs, market is doing the same thing. I was holding a position buy, you will remember, till here. I early then closed, but my analysis was right here. Now a breakout and this. So as per this plan, maybe gold seems. Now look at the Aussie. Despite of its bad news, it didn't fall much. Still this 50 moving average is holding it nicely. This is that other plan, bigger one a little bit. Currently this is active. Let's move to that other template. Okay, that was good. Yes, this one. Let's see 44.73 what it gives us. From 44.73, if it holds, it will be again showing back to 45.32. I'm telling. If 44.73 holds for some time. 2 minutes remaining. These days if you check Forex Factory, they don't show these unemployment claims and this and that as full red. They show it as a medium term. Okay, earlier they used to be in red, if you remember. One thing I also want to tell you, one can easily say, oh, why you didn't sell from right here, see you would have made this much profit, then why you didn't hold this whole buy, you would have made 112 pips. If one is thinking this way, then also have a look at this. Then one will say, why you are not holding from there till here, and why from not here till up there. My friend, if one can do that, no one will be live streaming right here. Then that is not the realistic one. Anyone who thinks this way. James Barber long term, I'm confused in the long term, I should say. I'm waiting for some levels, not confused but waiting for some levels. One minute left. Let's see, maybe a push up or a down. Let's see. I will be trying to trade point 02 should be enough. 01, no, 02 is good. From right here 0.05, or otherwise if insider stuff is going on, then obviously 0.02. Let me make it again 0.05. So and yes, if the market continue from here, we cannot say anything. Okay, is the news released? Someone let me know how is the news. News came out, but there is one other news as well. Okay, now see dear friends, this is a place for me in the middle. Okay, I'm not sure if this tight stop loss will survive, but let's see anyways. I'm holding it. And by the way, how is the news? I didn't saw the news yet. Building permits is good, housing starts is good, unemployment claims is a bit improved compared to the previous one. Let's see a little bit more money so I can close my 0.01. Okay, this is a hedging technique as well. Most of you will need it if anyone wants to become a good trader, should have this hedging technique in his toolbox. Let's see, it is news time. Who knows, it can be a bigger reaction. We should be remain positive, okay? But no, I don't think so it will be surviving. This stop loss is, my friend, too tight. Okay, my ideal level for today is obviously 44.73. If I miss, I miss. If I get it, I get it. Otherwise, till then I will try to quickly scalp right here as per my own expertise, okay? As per my own expertise, my friend, when you understand this strategy, you will be able to trade as this. Let's move it. Anyways, it's news time, so let's see if there is a bigger reaction just like yesterday. Who knows? But obviously this level can reject the price again. Okay, I book $18 from the market. I am ready to close 0.01. Okay, congrats everyone. First, let's go with this one. Okay, close 632830582, sell 0.01 XAUUSD by market. Yes, I'm closing, and I'm also closing this. Wow, wow, my friend, wow. My balance from this one got better. My balance got decreased slightly, but no problem. 1890 it was early, so $100 it came down. Why? How? My broker gives a positive spread on holding sell of gold. Guys, I have get rid of 0.01. Okay, to replace the battery. Okay. Oh, 0.8. Yes. Next, I will be releasing this 0.01. Okay. Let's see if it closes in positive, it will be good. Otherwise, I will be trying to scalp a little bit. Now 430, so I will need this is 430 negative. 430 divide by point 430 430 divide by 8. Now I need 53.75 USD. Okay, once I make more money like 53, how much? 53.75. See? Oh, it's mirror. Then it will be further good for me. Okay, take care, Feroz Khan. Let's see if I get a jackpot type of an entry. 500 pips is waiting for me, my friends, right here at this zone. My eyes is on this 0.01 to close at break even. There is another news in around 1 hour and 6 minutes, and that is let's see, that is manufacturing PMI and services PMI. Maybe till then the market will be just here and there, okay, here and there stuff it will be doing. One good drop of 361 pips and I'm buying. This market is being played as this. C right here is the 61.8. This is a little bit early buying level, okay, for everyone. This is a little bit early buying level, okay, not bad. 45.10 is also a good level, but I'm just giving it a stop loss. Yes, hardly it will stop me out with how much pips? 300 how much? 135 pips it will be stopping me out. 135 pips of a risk can potentially, if I hold, bring fantastic profits of 500 pips. Otherwise this level has gone like nowhere, this 200 pips, but obviously can take some time. If one say, hey market, move right now, this market is not going to listen to us. Yes, it's not going to listen to us, my dear friends. If one thinks this market will listen to us, is wrong. So okay, let it hit my stop loss, okay, no problem at all. I will recover it from somewhere else. But if I get it in full, I will close all of these one by one. Club, 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 club. Everything will be cleaned. because this alone is giving me how much profit? 284 pips, $284. So 432, let's say, minus how much it is giving me? 284. Yes, 146 minus 1806. My equity will 1660. Okay, and I started the week, I guess, at 1440. So 1440 minus 1660, I will be in net profit of $220 for the week, but only if it go up there. Okay, otherwise I'm still like my equity is 1440 I started, and 1374 it is right now. $66 I am going in deficit for this week. Okay, in loss, negative $66 this week. So made good decisions, but obviously those good decisions recovered my loss as well. This equity was down back then. So my friends, I trade this way, and anyone who really want to trade with profits should trade this way. Otherwise there is YouTube is there, the whole world is in front of you. Go search strategies, go. If you find one, let me know. There, if I tell you, I don't even remember how many strategies I have tried in 4 years, from 2013 till 16. How many? And even after that as well, I didn't stop. I kept exploring. But this market trading strategy, oh my friend, market structure, MSS structure, this is MSS. MSS gives this profit that you just see, followed correctly, like one should nicely follow it. And now one can easily say, hey Aftab, you are such a good technical trader, why you yesterday hedge right here, why didn't you left till all the way till up there? I did it, but on this account I cannot. Why? This is such a tiny baby account. So no, my friends, 15-minute candle closed bullish engulfing. Okay, should continue back down 73 pips. No selling is advised at this zone, because this is obviously early buying zone. Okay, and the next buying zone, if this breaks, if this level breaks, the next buying zone will be 44.73. I'm more expecting it, but this one already played out yesterday, and this is a very good demand zone as well. So during this time, if it go up, nice, it's good. Let's see if I can get $100 from it as a profit, will be good. Candlestick seems promising to the top side, at least 45.32 I can expect. Maybe partial positions up there. I will be looking at this dollar amount. Let's see if I was happy with it. I definitely will be closing it. But I have very less risk involved, my dear friends. Okay, I'll be right back. Just give me one moment. My friends, do you get something or not from the stream? Learning something or not? Just tell me this. Enough liquidity is built up right here, okay? Let it just test its low, okay? Thank you, James Barber. Loads of welcomes to you. Let's run fresh analysis a little bit as well. Daily, weekly, everything, okay? To refresh our minds a little bit so that we don't forget the levels. On a bigger scale, you will already know because I have discussed it in several videos. This is showing us this, okay? 43, 41. Even I made a video on price action as well, the monthly one. Make sure to check it out. So okay, this, then we have obviously this as a trend. Nice. Okay, now what's next? Yes, on the daily there is something else as well. Daily chart. This is still 19th May. This is still bearish, okay, and this is bullish, but not a bullish engulfing, and this is again bearish. It can try to test the low of this candle 44.81 most probably. So daily price action is still bearish. Then on the H4, if we see that, okay, nice, see this bigger trend was coming, and there is no separate branch from it as separated as this till now so far. But what we have seen is, obviously we have seen this, oops, where was that, but we have seen this as a breakout point. So let's mark this level as this, around 46, 70, 80 approximately till now so far. As this, we have enough data right here. Okay, so this is the bigger stuff going on. Now the smaller stuff, when I go and switch to the H1 time frame, on the H1 there is this thing it shows today, but no Fibonacci occurred, okay. So well, it is bearish at the moment, okay, but on the 15-minute it is bullish as well. So there is then this Fibonacci obviously, and this Fibonacci. Oh, one is right here. Let me add a line, let me highlight it, okay. This area, price where it is standing right now, and there is one this level. This is ideally on the intraday scale, okay. I mean, if I say this whole level is a reversal area, if it fails, obviously if it fails, then the market is coming back down till here. If it respects, market is going back up there, at least for now till there. Later, if the volume is bigger enough, it obviously can, like let's say it can do this ABCD pattern from here or here. 46.03 it is suggesting. So different thought processes going on in the market. It's up to you for how long you want to stay in the market, okay? And I don't think so it's now going nicely, but let's see. I'm holding it, okay? There are times we need to scalp, there are times we need to stay a little bit calm. See, today more people didn't came for trading. Why? Because yesterday they have lost in tons. We'll be nicely patiently waiting for it. If it's giving us something, okay. If not, it's okay. Next week is not gone anywhere. The week after that, the week after that, the week after that. Be my guest, my friend. Have some tea. Currently there is no volume in the market. Let's see in 7 minutes what happens. Where is my stop? Let's delete this Fibonacci for now to have a clear imagery. Yes, maybe like if it creates a double bottom right here, which I don't think so. Even if it creates, will be for a quick scalping, 50-60 pips, okay? Because the level from where it is right now, like this level, is a bit crazy level, okay? Because it is also indicating this. I'm not saying it is 100% doing this, but at least is indicating this. If one wants to get fully successful in Forex, fully independent, must have to develop his patience for trend lines, for market structure, for Fibonacci, and for the ABCD pattern. Right? Will you be remembering this or not? The way it is dropping, I don't think so it will. Like emotionally people are obviously selling, but still I don't think so it will survive, because the bigger story 44.73. Anyone, my friend, who is holding a sell, hold it. Now initial reaction didn't came, so I will be manually. Let's wait 1 more minute. See, bulls are appearing, but they cannot move the market up, which means bulls are not present in this present market. Anyone holding this buy? Wow, 27 pips immediately. Move stop to break even, okay? Don't go without stop losses, my friends. We should always be going with the stop losses. Yes, proper stop losses. and risk management. See, if it is valid, it will be working. If it is not valid, I'm anyways going to stop out right here. So what is my stop loss doing there then? Huh? Why is it not right here? Understand this. Bear sellers will be trying to break it. Let them break it. I'm not afraid of them. Maybe my original plan, okay, but at this zone I'm not selling personally. And I can also sell, but let's see. Now, yes, as expected, as I said, okay, as I tell you just a moment ago, this level is for quick profits, scalping, otherwise not working nicely. So if it is, let's say, dropping back till 40, this is that place. Let's see. My turn code support is this 44.97. Yesterday it reacted right here a little bit. So but in this slow market I don't think so. Even if it hit, I may not be able to target the upside. Why? Because we are very closer to the trend line that is coming down. Now with this low volume, what will I do, huh? Maybe let's see, a big volume is expected in 1 minute, and then after 30 minutes, and then 15 minutes after that. Candle is reacting. Now I'm not willing for another stop loss, okay? Let's see if it go up there near this trend line. I will close my some of my buys, or maybe all of them. $44.97 right here. Let's see. This is such a deadly pattern, my friend. Oh ho 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 ho. 30 pips, it's giving anyone who is holding may close. Yes, don't be too greedy. Don't be too greedy at all. Nicely 45.10 I can say is holding nicely. Liquidity is grabbed. I mean, there is no logic why this market will not be going up now. At least still, like, there are a lot of places, but at least I think maybe connect this. Oh my friend, look at this. That's why it was reacting right here, huh? It's again entering into a technical zone. It needs to get out of this pinkish area back to the orange one. 5-minute candle closed very nicely. Altcoin Ninja dear, risk management, my friend. Do watch my previous episodes, okay? Everything I discussed, everything, okay? This is my risk management, this is my stop loss, that is my take profit, rest of these are on hedge. Do you understand it or not? So Ninja dear, get familiar with my system. Okay, 30 pips I booked for now, because on the lower time frames it is now as this. Sniper entry right here. Did you guys book something? Another trade opportunity I will be trying to buy from 4505.67, maybe from right here or right here again. Let's see this level. No, it's not working. When you know when you need to exit the market, you are a good trader. But then this will be a little bit weak, okay, not very stronger one. But if this level verify for a buy, my friend, it can make us millionaire, I should say. Not millionaire, but I mean like, if it works, then it will be as this. But let's see. Marcos, welcome. Great entry. Have an eye on this 44.75. I'm not saying it is going to reject, but I'm like, to be a bit on the safe side, have just a look at it, okay? Ideally the market should go as this and then continue down, but if it's just a crash, it will just crash, okay? Always welcome, dear. Wow. It is a buy and a sell both at the same time, okay? Yes, but this place is for a buy. I will be back. Wow. Wow. Beautiful, my dear friends. I wasn't expecting this tight SL to be surviving and giving me a chance to leave at break even, but anyways. See, this is very strong bearish, can be false obviously. At such places these false candles do form. So valid confirmation for a buy is not yet available. If this candle just continue up, or in 12 minutes we are entering into an extreme high zone. So as per that, obviously, let's see, we will be looking at it. Okay, this is sniper stop loss till now so far. I need a close below 44.97.78 even on the 1 minute can give and make my direction more clear. Let's see if it is a strong crash. So this is the ideal TP, but for now I'm setting it, otherwise I then manually leave. Okay, and I think they are going to take this liquidity as well. Okay, this is no doubt a demand zone, but this is also a demand zone. Shall I book this how much pips? 37 pips from the market, because but I think and I feel it's crashing. Otherwise I was also feeling crashing yesterday, but then right here, but then I decided this because this was already my plan as well. Let's see today, taking too much time right here. Okay, I get 15 pips from the market for now. Okay, rest, let's see. Yes, if I get a confirmation, I will be buying right at this place. Today seems crashing. Okay, to me it seems crashing. Okay, now it's not seems crashing. Let's see, 54 pips of a risk I took, but then with 54 pips at least it should give me this much. $363 pips. Let's see. $4,500 is also a psychological number as well. Yesterday everyone was selling, they got stopped out. Today everyone is buying, so what will happen? See, can it go straight to 44.10? Well, if this level breaks, yes. Seven minutes left, and in 7 minutes we know that yes, it is then a buy. Even now it is a buy, but is a bit like such a buy which can fail immediately. Let's see, there is this ABCD pattern completion as well or not. Oh my friend, this completion is near 44.93, but sometimes it doesn't complete fully this is the 1 minute stuff going on at the moment. Let's see what it brings us. Yes, it is bearish below 44.93. Ooh, my stop loss. Oh, look at it, my friend. These are sniper stop losses. Try to understand this technique. Place your stop losses at sniper area. I'm not saying it is surviving, okay, but I'm saying this, like, it doesn't need more stop loss than this. Maybe emotional sellers are grabbed right here that hey, see, we are crashing, let's go down. No, I mean, big drop is expected, my friends. Sell story is very crazy, okay? If it leave this triangle, this, no more buying, okay? Unless proper confirmation, no more buying. Four minutes left. Let's see 44.76 if they are hitting. Will be good. Three minutes left. Let's see. I mean, for the New Yorkers, it is clearly standing at a buy zone. But then in 17 minutes we have news as well. Okay. Because as per the Australia news, gold should go up. Australia's currency is getting weak, so gold should go up. Because it is considered as a safe haven. No, seller may seem struggling, but they are preparing for a crash. Such a crash which I'm not sure if we can see, like from everywhere it is bearish. Okay. The H4 candle is not yet closed. It is a bullish as well. It is a bearish as well. So the right thing will be to just wait for the market. See, again it is now scalping buy, my friend. It is going to give me losses or like what? I mean, if for the New Yorker, this is very good, ideal place. Just open buys and take all of the liquidity from the top. But this price action is, my friend, something. Tight SL I'm holding 16 pips only. At least even it should go till here. 1 minute left, and in 1 minute it can just skyrocket or it can just drop. If I want to catch a drop right now, it will be an emotional entry, so I will try to. crash it's suggesting. This pattern suggesting a crash, so let me trade it. Very scary one this is, my friends. If I put it here, how much loss it will be? All the way at the top. Wow, market seems getting strength. Suddenly it can change its direction, okay? Maybe before the news if they drop it, and on the news they buy it. Sudden buying pressure can appear, okay? This is such a zone. I will be closing 0.05 from this one, okay? This one. This is that yesterday's buy. Not decisive. Wow, 397. If it is break even, I might close everything. Bulls stream struggling, seems struggling, okay, just like yesterday. Maybe they are waiting for this zone, okay, this demand zone at 44.76, maybe, okay, or maybe they are breaking it. Shall I close 0.05 from this one? Not now. Wow, both of my cells are running very nicely. Negative balance coming down, but I now need a bit more push to the downside. Wow, too much chat, but let's wait. I will be heading over to your chat. Okay, my friends, I closed 0.05. Okay, now my cell is split into 0.03 and 0.05. Good decision. Wow, again hedge at a lower price, my friends. 44.76, and this area, keep in mind, turn count support it is. Again it created a bullish pattern right here for scalping. Four minutes left for the news. Two minutes left for the news. Oh, accidentally I closed it. Anyways, there is a news time, so let's see. Wow, look at this pin bar. This one is broken. This one seems a support. This one. Moderate volume, I mean. On 1 minute, it is a support. News is released. News came good for the dollar. Bearish engulfing previous candle.